Let's talk about having a good conversation. When people talk together, it's like chains that connect together to make one big, long chain. First, one person says something, and another person says something that's connected to what the first person says. They go back and forth. They stay connected. It makes one big, long chain. When people talk together, they shouldn't have a broken chain. A broken chain means that somebody has said something that has nothing to do with what was said or what the other person is thinking. Here is an example of a good connected chain conversation.
Do you like Minecraft?
Yes. What do you like about Minecraft?
I like going on multiplayer servers and building with friends.
I like command blocks and redstone.
Why do you like redstone?
Because it's very complex and I can do a lot more with it than anything else in Minecraft.
That's cool. What else do you like about Minecraft?
I like building and PvP games.
I'm not very good at PvP.
I could help you learn PvP.
I'm out of cards.
Here's an example of a conversation that's a broken chain.
Do you like Minecraft?
Yes, I like Minecraft. What do you like about Minecraft?
I like going on servers and playing games with my friends.
I like building and PvP games.
On the server I go on, there's a PvP game called Kit PvP.
My computer's awesome.
That was first. Here is one more example of a broken chain.
Do you like Minecraft?
Yes, I love Minecraft.
What do you like about Minecraft?
I like going on multiplayer servers.
I like building and PvP games.
Do you like waffles?
Remember, to have a good conversation, you want to be sure that it's like one long chain. Stay on topic. Take turns talking. Only talk about what the other person is talking about or something similar. No broken chains. No off-topic comments. Have fun conversing with others.